Hi guys, ever wondered what a perfect weekend in Oxford looks like? Well, there is a saying that you haven't lived in Oxford until you go punting. So today I want to take you along with me on one of the favorite things to do in Oxford, and that is punting, this time at the Cherwell Boathouse. The Cherwell Boathouse is one of Oxford's best kept secrets when it comes to punting, tucked away along the peaceful Cherwell River that connects to River Thames. If you ever find yourself in Oxford, this is the perfect place to go and escape the hustle and bustle of the city. It's a popular spot, especially with tourists. So the river was filled with so many people from all over the world, and it was a bright sunny day. All excited to try out the hand at punting. Now, for those who aren't familiar, punting is basically using a long pole to push your boat along the river. It sounds simple, but let me tell you, it can be tricky than it looks. I got a chance to be trained by my friend who is an Oxonian. That is, she's lived in Oxford for like a long time, and she was kind enough to take us through some of the tips and tricks on how to move along with a punt. But once you get a hang of it, it's such a peaceful and calming experience. Just imagine you're gliding through the water, surrounded by nature, with beautiful views of Oxford in the distance. You're basically disconnecting from every other distractions of town and just being present with yourself. The gentle breeze, the sound of the water, and just being fully present. There is something about being on the water that I don't take for granted. It just makes you feel so connected to everything around you.
Lift it up, lift, get it straight.
Yeah.
Keep going, lift it more, 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 hold it straight.
Yeah, and then I release it.
Release when it's straight. So hold it over here, like perpendicular, and now drop.
Yeah.
Okay, now push. You need to lean in. Nice. Push. And release. Now lift it up.
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
but we're going away. Oops.
So push it, pull it towards us.
I push it.
Put more in the water,
Ooh.
Pull it towards us, like this. Yeah. Let me just do this one, and then you can do the next one.
Oh my god. You know there is a lot of technique here.
You thought it was just someone standing on.
I thought it was just vibes.
No, it's quite very...
Helen, what did we do to deserve you? We would be in the water
Helen?
by now.
Give me a second. This is a hard bit. Bend down. Squat
Me?
down. Yeah.
Okay.
So that I can't really do it when you're there.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna get away from this. So much easier. Okay, what I'm gonna do,
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn our boat around
Yeah.
so we're at least going in the right direction. Yeah. Drop it in, go quickly, so how much time push, because we have to get around this corner.
But we have to get away from the...
Yeah, and I'm gonna push us away and drop and push.
You get ready for a fall.
Good, now you're gonna practice some steering. Pull it out and steer. No, keep it in where it is. Yeah, steer. Steer. No, steer it. You're actually quite good. Go ahead and do another one then. Another one. And drop. Push.
That was classic.
Push. That was classic.
Classic, if I do say so myself.
Nice. Last one. Go. Up. You're doing it. Go on. All the way up. Drop. And push.
Oh.
Looking good. Right, now let's do some steering.
I'm steering because we are going to...
Okay, everyone say well done to Maria.
We did it, Joe. We did it, Maria. Okay, that was lovely. Thank you, Helen.
You're welcome. Guys, we're going to get some speed up now, okay?
Let's go.
Go.
After Punting, the Cherwell Boathouse has an amazing riverside cafe where you can grab something like lunch or just enjoy a cup of tea in the afternoon while you watch others float by. The place was more lively and warm, and the perfect way to end a lovely day out. Oxford is a city known for its rich history, beautiful architecture, the university of course, and so many activities. But this weekend I took a break from my usual routines and indulged in one of my favorite Oxford activities. If you're ever in this beautiful city, this is one of the experiences you don't want to miss. I highly recommend checking out any punting spot. You could check the Moline College or now the Cherwell Boathouse. Those are the two places I've gone punting, and it's been fun, peaceful, and it's a nice way to experience the city from a whole new perspective. At first, it feels like you're just going in circles, but once you find your rhythm, it becomes smooth, peaceful, and quite of manageable. I got my try at it, and I don't know if I can do it by myself, but it was fun while I tried it out. Thanks so much for joining me on this little Oxford adventure. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, of course, if you haven't. See you in my next video.